Hey everyone, welcome back to Martin's Auto Spa. Today we are working on this Toyota Corolla. We're going to do some scratch repairs and then do a one-step polish on the whole vehicle to bring out a lot of shine and make it look like a brand new car. So stick around, I'm going to show you some footage of the scratches and then I'll get to work and show you the after footage. Thank you. I am doing a clay bar treatment process. This vehicle has been washed, and as you can hear, it's got very rough surface even after being washed. So what happens is the contaminants land on the paint, and after a period of time and not being clayed or taken off, it just builds up and creates this rough surface. And as you can see, so this has been clayed. The surface is smooth. This surface is not, so you can hear the difference. So we're doing this to the entire vehicle before we do any kind of polishing. That way we're not embedding further damage to the paint. Alright, everything has been clayed. The whole vehicle is smooth as glass now. Feels a lot better. The owner is definitely going to notice that. We're going to go ahead next and tape up the areas that need to be repaired, all the scratches. This is a reminder, it's just so I can see exactly where I need to go, how many are left and whatnot, and one-step polish the whole vehicle. If you could, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel for future content. Stick around for the transformation on this Toyota Corolla. These are all the spots that we're going to heavily treat with a heavy compound, heavy pad, and remove scratches. Here we are, the after footage is here. This car is complete. Looking super glossy now after a one-step polish, scratch removal, and a ceramic topper. Remember before it was kind of swirled up pretty bad. Now, not all the scratches came out. Some were a lot deeper, but a lot of them did come out. This was the worst area. They're still kind of visible, but from standing distance, not too bad. So there you have it.